My house is blank than yours. My house is bigger than yours. This book is blank than the one we read last week. This book is more interesting than the one we read last week. Today is blank than yesterday. Today is colder than yesterday. Sarah runs blank than her brother. Sarah runs faster than her brother. This bag is blank than that one. This bag is heavier than that one. My car is blank than yours. My car is faster than yours. Today is blank than yesterday. Today is hotter than yesterday. She is blank than her sister. She is taller than her sister. This book is blank than the last one. This book is better than the last one. Elephants are blank than horses. Elephants are bigger than horses. My brother is blank than me. My brother is younger than me. That movie was blank than I expected. That movie was more boring than I expected. A bicycle is blank than a car. A bicycle is cheaper than a car. This exam is blank than the last one. This exam is more difficult than the last one. This box is blank than that one. This box is heavier than that one. My bike is blank than yours. My bike is faster than yours. The new sofa is blank than the old one. The new sofa is more comfortable than the old one. She is blank than her twin brother. She is more intelligent than her twin brother. This puzzle is blank than the last one. This puzzle is more difficult than the last one. Apples are blank than bananas in this season. Apples are cheaper than bananas in this season.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to English with Ratna. Thank you so much for watching.